So the only trade setup that I see is over here on SPY. You get to see on the 5-minute time frame, we did enter here on this retest, got that nice little hold on this flag or above this EMA, and now we just need to do our best to hold. As soon as you break above, I try to get as close as I can to a nice dip below. Got a good push up here, saw 15-17%. Good morning, my fellow traders. Time is currently 6:12 a.m. 15 minutes before the market opens, and we got a new apartment, guys. So unfortunately don't have my full setup here. Usually, we're just moving in, so my desk would be right here where it is going to be here soon, and then all my monitors. Show you guys around real quick. So unfortunately, looks like I'm going to have to trade off my laptop today, but anyways, fortunately, I have to put the bed on the ground for right now until another month or a week, and currently got our lights up. One of the best things though about this place is the fact that we have a massive closet now, so it's not too crazy, but guys, you can walk in here. It's at least bigger than the old place. I mean, you can see I do enjoy this walk-in closet, got all my shoes and stuff, and it's way more better. But yeah, so we're gonna have to trade off our laptop today. I'm probably just gonna lay in bed. I'm not even gonna lie and I did not do no charting last night. I didn't have no time to do anything last night. We literally just moved, so I'm literally unprepared for the whole market, but we're still gonna try our best to trade, see what we can do, guys, and it is what it is. If we take a loss, we take a loss. Probably gonna scalp trade today and just see what we can catch, guys. So let's get it today. But this is basically a little bit of an apartment tour. You can see it's not that bad of a place. It's pretty big, actually. It's a little bit $250 more for this place, and you get more room. We got 200 extra square feet. That's where my office is gonna be, right here. And then, yeah, this is like, bathroom. The bathroom's pretty decent, and you got room. So the only trade setup that I see is over here on SPY, and I also have it on the 5 minutes, but I'll show you guys why I'm eyeing it here, because you can see right here on the 15-minute time frame on SPY, if we get above this little resistance level or the zone, it also will be above these EMAs, which would be pretty nice. And you can see every time we bounce off of this general zone, it does have a nice fat reaction push. So potentially this could be a big push to the back to the upside. Plus the whole market is kind of pushing up here as far as AMD and NVIDIA. But we got to be careful, guys. So I still do have, have it open here on my side, and I will open up a contract. So I guess I'll just show you guys, since you're here, what contracts I choose. So basically, I'm tired of playing same day expirations. Next days are fine, but they still move pretty volatile. Like, they can move pretty crazy. And even Thursday's contracts, oh wait, today's Wednesday, so I guess honestly best bet, we're gonna play next week's on Monday. So guys, today's Wednesday, we have 1, 2, 3 days out, and honestly, look at this. Let's see how much expensive bro, these are only $300. I like contracts that are around $300 or even $250, because then you guys already know my risk reward system. Going for a specific amount, only risk a specific amount. So I'm gonna probably take next week's 611s. They're right at the money, and that's what I'm going to be taking now. I could look at the Greeks, but you can see I don't have the Greeks on, so it's just not in my favor. Don't really care. But anyways, I also could take, if I were to take Tuesday contracts, then I would just take the 611s too, which is not that bad. But yeah, I'm gonna take the Monday 611s. Look at all those time and sales. No way, guys. Look at this stuff. I have to restart my whole thing. Laptop can't handle screen recording at the same time. But anyways, guys, I am eyeing that NVIDIA, or I am eyeing SPY calls here off this breakout above this resistance or the zone, or above this EMA. So I'm going to wait for a dip back down to the downside. Plus these stocks are also dipping down just a little bit, so it might influence SPY just come back a little bit. We're going to catch that retest here. We're going to try our best to see what we can do with this bad boy. And of course, stop loss is basically around this general area or below this area here. It depends on how much it is, or the stop loss. And contracts currently are at, I'm so blind, I think that's 278. I don't know, but either way, guys, we're in these bad boys, and we're gonna see what these things print to. So we're gonna try this out one more time. Currently, guys, I'm in SPY calls. Got that retest here. You guys saw it earlier on the 5 minute. Nice dip down on this candle here, which, matter of fact, let me mark it off so that they know. But guys, my computer's been acting up on me lately. It's been telling me, it's been freezing up on me pretty much. But anyways, guys, we're gonna try to make these contracts go boom boom. We need these contracts to go boom boom. Currently, I'm only at $6.50, guys. Come on, what's up with that? It's flagging right now on 5 minutes, which is fine. 15 minutes hold pretty well, so we have enough. We should be able to hold this, guys. Plus, if I show you guys 30 minutes time frame, you guys will drop your panties. So check this out, 30-minute time frame, guys. Leave me the so this 30-minute time frame right here. This is today. I know it can look a little bit crazy, but just try to bear with me here. So look at this. So we're basically just breaking above this general area. Every time we get above this general area, it does tend to bounce pretty strong. So I just got to do my absolute best. And plus, we got a nice break above these candles to try to just hold it, man. That's all I got to do. That's all I got to do. Try to hold it. Guys, I'm currently still in SPY calls here. My monitor keeps kind of going in and out, but I'm currently just up $30 on these. We did see a nice 41, which is totally fine, 15%, but we're currently at 10% here. So market is trying to pull back just a little bit, but I'm going to do my absolute best, try to trust the trade plan. Now, you get to see here on the 5-minute time frame, we did enter here on this retest, got that nice little hold on this flag or above this EMA, breaks above, and now we just need to do our best to hold again to 612 at least, maybe even the next area. But I believe all-time highs is like not even that far away, so I can't be too greedy, you know what I'm saying? Set my stop loss at entry and just gonna hodl these things, guys. We'll do a recap when we get home because we do gotta head out of here and go help my mother. It's what it is. Let's go home. Let's go and come back and we'll do the recap and trade vlog, all that at the end. So we're back home. We took 2 trades on SPY and I do want to break it down with you guys and show you guys my entries and also show you guys the difference between what I have been doing as far as EMAs. Because shout out to Mr. Ten, guys. He joined the Discord recently and then just came in and dropped some sauce. Basically came in like Jesus and said, here you guys go, here's this, we got it, used it, and guys, it's been working real nice. So check this out. This is the difference what he put us on to, and this is kind of why I feel like it actually works with my style of trading. So he put us on to using the 50 and the 200 EMA. Now a lot of people like me use the 10 and 20 or the 9 and 21. They're basically very similar and look almost very identical, but he put us on to the 50 and 200, which is right here. Now the only difference is I have the cloud on, so it just makes it look like a big massive wave. So as you guys saw earlier, we entered calls based off us breaking above this 50 cloud or this EMA cloud in general, or just in general above the EMAs just in general, really. So you can see on this side over here with the 250 EMA, as soon as you break above, I try to get as close as I can to a nice dip below. Got a good push up here. Saw 15, 17%, but then we sold at 14%. Unfortunately, it is what it is. Only collected about, I believe it was, let's see if it says. It doesn't even say, but only about like $38 on that trade. And then again, we enter for another trade for about like $200 on this bounce here. And the reason why I entered, guys, is very simply, shout out to Mr. 10. Look at this bounce of the 50 EMA, or this 50 EMA. Bounces right here perfectly on the 15-minute time frame. I just said, you know what? Let me take the risk. Got in. Gets a nice push to the upside. Decided, you know what? I don't think we're gonna take above today's highs. Let's just sell it for another 15%. Boom, slap it. Got a nice gain on the day, guys. So we're up $64 on today. Now I want to show you guys in the 9 and 20 or the 10 and 20 EMA, which is what I was using. Let me just show you guys the difference, guys. Honestly, this has been helping me, and I will say this helps my trading style because now I am no longer a scalp trader. I am no longer looking to go in and out, go quickly for a quick 5-minute move. I'm trying to hold as long as I can. So using a longer moving average does help me identify longer moves and hold for a lot longer trends, whereas a short-term time frame EMA is more for a short term. And you can see in this case, let's say you were waiting for a break above these EMAs, you get a break above here. Look how short term and quick it is. Like, this would have probably scared me and faked me out, because very simply, you get a break above, fat candle break below, and it's even below back to EMAs. Whereas over here, candle break above, and we're even holding it. It just holds more smoothly. And then again, comes back, bounces off the EMAs here, I won't lie, but look at how it just bounces back inside and just kind of would fake me out. Whereas over here, it's perfectly inside the EMA still. And overall, guys, I'm still gonna test it out. So I loaded up a $500 account into this portfolio, which you guys can see it's on this little 400 Schwab account. And so far I'm up $64 on it. So far a little bit over 10%, maybe like 11%. I don't know what you want to call it, but either way, guys, we're gonna try to see what we can do with this, just because if we can turn this account for $500 into like $1,500 or a little bit even more than that, off of just sniping some very good entries with using these EMAs, then honestly, we might just start using these EMAs, and it might change the game for me as well. So shout out to you, Mr. 10. I appreciate you coming in this Discord, and it's basically a networking community. So guys, understand, becoming a part of this community or this Discord is free. Plus, you meet a lot of great people like Mr. 10, Golden Wolf, Deucin, Hamza, me. There's so much great people in there, such as even Alias, and a lot of great people. Stormy Myth, Landry Capital. I mean, even so much more great people in there that keep hitting it, like GU Trades. I mean, guys, the list goes on. These people are straight killers. Shout out to Kevin. There's so much people in the Discord that make trading so much fun. And if you guys want to be part of the community, guys, best believe go on the Discord, go on the link in my bio, go on the Discord, and just join free server, guys. I literally do not sell anything other than my own signals, which I haven't even been calling out signals like that anyways. So overall, just join the free community, and I'll see you guys in there. And every single day we talk about trading. 6:20 p.m. I'm literally about to just chart up for the rest of the night, eat some dinner, and spend the rest of my time charting up. And look at this, guys. Look, I'm not that any different than anybody else that's just getting into the game of trading. I'm not that far from anybody. I'm not making thousands of dollars. I'm not making hundreds of dollars. If I could, I would literally love to just teach it my whole day, every single day, and not have to go to work, and just do this all day, every single day, and just teach as much as I can and trade all day, and just that's what I would love to do. So overtime, man. Anyways, let's continue on with our life. 6:20 p.m. finish the night. See you guys on tomorrow's vlog, and expect some good sauce videos here real soon.